Okay, this is our team. Let me introduce our photographer Abid, our model Arina, I'm Alexander, and in background, Imberbek is behind the camera. That's where we park the cars. This is Brooklyn, Bayview, and West 37th Street. Antona Parin show us the place. So it's a very popular location for modeling shoots with models, and we're on the way. Let's go. Okay, this is Korablik, the Gurmana. That's what pays for the whole shoot. That's what I make the calendars initially for. That's Ukrainian, actually Russian. Lomonosov invented the first fishing tackle like this, and we sell it here in America. And to make it popular, we decide that calendars with models, with girls, will help us to make it popular with Americans. That's where the whole idea of calendars started. And then the business took off by itself.
So, show your legs, come before this grass. And go wider, go on your knees wider. This way. Yeah. Yep. Try to put the rod, don't hide your body from the rod. Okay, use the rod in the other hand. This hand. Hold the rod. Yeah. Down, yeah.
Okay, the deal that we offer to the models is following. There are 6 components. Component number 1, we offer raw images. Most of photographers don't give raw images. I give my raw images, Abid gives his raw images, and if we have more photographers, the girls get raw images. Number 2, all raw images. Number 2, we give a couple of images that we retouch. We give also for the website, for the calendar, the girls get a copy. So they can put very nice images that would taking away all the bad pieces that not supposed to be there. Like, bring the skin up and make things nicer with the scarves and stuff. The third thing that we do, we give to the models 10 printed copies of each calendar that she gets in. Like right now we're doing the Ukrainian girl calendar, the girl gets for Ukrainian girl. We do the fishing calendar, the girl gets like 10 copies of calendar. We sell calendars about like $10–15 a piece. whole retail. The girls can put their lipstick on the calendar and a signature. And since they have only 10 copies, it becomes limited edition. On the Christmas time, the girls, last year at least, they had no problem to sell it like $25, $30 a piece. So it's 10 calendars, it's like $250 for the girls. They can sell it on Amazon, on eBay, or like to their followers and fans and people who like them. The next thing that we do, we give to the girls royalties. The royalties depends on how many we print. Let's say we do a small run, like only 1,000 calendars. For each image that goes in the calendar, the girls get $50. If we sell at least 80% of the calendar. If we do, let's say, around 5,000 calendars, the girls get $200 per image. If we do, let's say, around for 25,000 calendars, like Staples, Walmart, guys like that, they don't buy little, they buy in the bulk. So it's $500 per image. If we do bigger runs, let's say like guys who did dogs underwater or goats on trees in millions, the girls get about like $5,000 in a calendar. But it has to be a big run, number of calendars get sold. The next thing that we do, we shoot also not only calendars, but we also shoot posters and postcards. If the calendar sells only for 1 year, and the next year we have to take new pictures and sell, sell it again, the postcards we can sell for 20-30 years. So the girls gets much bigger royalties, about 10% from the sale, and it's perpetual, which means that as long as the calendar sells, the girls get their royalties. Plus, the girls get introductions. We take unknown girls, and they start modeling with us, and hopefully they get noticed and get jobs and get referrals from us. We know quite a few people in the fashion week and different fashion shows, so the girls get the jump start of their career. And the last component, we had last year one girl that was not known for us, as a model. We took her pictures. She was my wife's friend, and she got married, and even she has a baby now. And it's all, she met the guy because she was in our calendar. That's basically the package that the girls get. Sometimes when the calendars are we shoot in difficult locations, let's say with the bugs and the hunting, and it's cold in the winter, like we do when we do winter calendars, girls on ice, girls in snow, in bikini, it's difficult. We pay $50, $100, $200. The most we paid so far was up to $500 per shoot, but usually it takes either very professional model that we really want for the cover, or it's very difficult conditions, shooting conditions. Like it's really cold, or mosquitoes, or it's a long travel upstate for the shoot. So it has to make economical sense for us. Otherwise, we can get model without the financial compensation. Otherwise, I think the package is fair. Thank you. Diana Page. It's too far away from the fish. That vision.
Alex, just keep moving when the lighting is.
I'm moving.
Yeah, this is better. Left. Yeah. Yeah, I love it. Oh.
The reflector is very good. Fishing line.
And the face. You're gonna know when you see on the face.
Yeah. I'm searching.
Yeah, here. The other side, move on the inside. Yeah, look over there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God.
Close.
It's a little bit distant. Yeah. Perfect.
Cute. You know how to make cute? Section. Try section. Hot. Hot. No, it's heavy. Hot. Listen to the music. You want some music? I can put some music in the phone. Music? So you can move? Too close. A little bit. Turn your body. Yeah. One leg for back, one leg further. Yeah.
How about he could sit on the boat here? He can relax and
With the reflector, it's going to be better. Let me put away my...
turn this way. Now the sun is yeah, sun is high. No.
It's behind it. To the gonna do the same thing with the Ukrainian film. Ukrainian, it's more natural for us, but she's Ukrainian. She should be proud. American, you have to have real American voices. It doesn't look much American. Perfect.
Это скорее даже конфликт.
This one? How much?
No, it's in a bag.
This is my friend Abid. We do photography together, and he's a great photographer. And we just want to explain why we're doing the photography. Can you tell us why you passionate?
Yeah, of course. It's like as every artist said, I barely can call myself an artist, but it's an
You
art.
are. You are.
But it's an art, and if you ask anybody, oh, since how long you've been doing it, everybody say, oh, since childhood. But it's truly, I'm doing shooting since childhood. Professionally, been shooting like over 12 years now. So it's pretty much art. I shoot everything. I shoot fashion. Working with the Alex from like last couple of months, we had a great shoots. We're shooting calendars.
We're shooting calendars, but why do you love it? Why it's your passion?
Something is inside. Everybody has something inside which we like to do
You
it.
can shoot nice landscapes. You can shoot bugs. You can shoot. Why are you shooting models?
The models, they can express the feelings, you know. They have something inside. The human can express their feelings. The art is the female model body is also an art. So the model showing their body is an art. So we are the photographers. We boost them to just show, like, and enhance the beauty, whatever they have. They have the talent as well. So that's how I love it. I love the nature and the creation. The beautiful model is also creation of a God. So everybody loves the nature. So that's about it.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Wait for me. Go back and stand. Don't walk. Just stand for a minute. Достаточно. This is our friend Irina and Abid, and I'm Alexander. And today was the first day of shooting for Irina as a model, and we want to find out why did you like it? Why did you like it? Why did you decide to be a model today?
It's actually a great experience, and I always like to do some new projects and to get into some adventures. And also this kind of project I was enjoying myself all day long because I was working with great professionals here, and they actually helped me to lead my way inside myself and to actually find something new in me and maybe to open some new talents, and I will continue to work on this.
Very good. So what was your experience today?
It was one of the best experiences that I ever had.
I never feel you shooting first time though.
Oh.
Yeah, you have something special.
Thank
It's
you.
a great model, yeah?
Thank you. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you guys.
Alright, thank you. Thanks guys. Cheers.